Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking your system type and preparing for compatibility. This matters because Media Player 9 was designed for older 32-bit systems. Once done, create a restore point and back up user data so you can revert if needed. Make sure you are signed in as an administrator or enable the built-in admin account. Installs and registry edits require elevated rights. Now you're ready to obtain the necessary installer and compatibility tools to run legacy software on Windows 10. You will now configure compatibility settings and handle middle-step complexity. First, right-click the installer, choose Properties, open Compatibility, and set Windows 7 mode while checking Run as administrator. That often resolves immediate installer blocks. If the 32-bit installer still fails, use a lightweight Windows 7 virtual machine or a 32-bit compatibility layer to run the program in an isolated environment. Also, prepare to replace legacy DLLs and codecs with compatible files. You finish by running the installed player, setting file associations, and testing playback across MP3, WMV, and AVI files to verify functionality. If playback fails, install compatible codecs or adjust audio device settings. Modern drivers sometimes require rolling back to a legacy audio codec or using an older direct show filter. If something goes wrong, use the restore point or revert your virtual machine snapshot to return to a clean state. Then repeat the compatibility steps with alternative DLLs or codecs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.